Students, today we will read the force on a moving charge in a uniform magnetic field. Whenever a charged particle is in motion inside a magnetic field, how much force will be act upon this charged particle? Whenever a charge moves across a magnetic field, it must gives the magnetic force, and this magnetic force is represented by Fm. This magnetic force is directly proportional to the quantity of charge Q. Means if Q is large, it will be experience maximum force. And this magnetic force Fm is directly proportional to the velocity of the charged particle. If the initial velocity of the charged particle is more, it gives more magnetic force. And this magnetic force is directly proportional to the strength of the magnetic field B. If the strength is maximum, means when the lines are very close to each other, the force will be the field will be maximum. Then automatically the magnetic force is maximum. And this magnetic force F is directly proportional to the sine of the angle between direction of the magnetic field to the direction of the motion of charge. So let us consider a charge Q moving through a uniform magnetic field having magnetic induction B with a velocity V by making an angle theta with the direction of the magnetic field. Now combining all these factors, we get Fm is equal to Q V B sin theta. This above equation gives the magnitude of magnetic force. In vector form, this may be written as magnetic force Fm is equal to Q into what is theta? Theta is the angle between B and V. So if we remove sin theta, we can write V cross B. This is the vector form of magnetic force. Now, what happened in this case? You see, as we know, Fm is equal to QVB sin theta. So my dear students, if V equal to 0, then automatically magnetic force will be 0. It means what? If the charge is at rest, motion regular to where start avana. If the charge is at rest, then no magnetic force will be act upon the charge. Similarly, if Q is equal to 0, then magnetic force will be 0. So what is this? Q equal to 0 means the particle is said to be neutral. So whenever a neutral particle is placed inside the magnetic field, there is no magnetic force will be act upon the charged particle. Again, if theta equal to 0 degree or theta equal to 180 degree, in both cases, sin 0 equal to 0, sin 180 equal to 0. In both cases, the magnitude of magnetic force will be 0. So, it means what? No force will be act upon the charged particle if the charged particle is moving along the direction of field or opposite to the direction of the field. एपटे गले तापरे कौन से मैग्नेटिक फोर्स एक्ट करियोनी, एपटे गले मध्य कौन से मैग्नेटिक फोर्स एक्ट करियो नहीं. Another case, if theta is equal to 90 degree, then what happen? Sin 90 equal to 1. So Fm is equal to QVB. And this force is called as maximum force, and these three forces are called as minimum forces or zero force. So moving, whenever a charged particle is placed in a magnetic field, and if the charged particle goes perpendicular to the magnetic field, it magnetic field from left to right दिया रही, जदि चार्ज पार्टिकल टॉप टू बॉटम गति करे और बॉटम रू टॉप आड़ को गति करे, द एंगल बिटवीन डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड B and the velocity is always 90 degree. At that time, the force will be act upon this charge Q, and this force is called as a magnetic force. So magnetic force will be act if the charged particle is in motion perpendicular to the direction of the field. Otherwise, in each and every case we get magnetic force will be zero. So the magnetic force upon a charged particle is zero if the charged particle is at rest, or the charged particle is neutral, or the charged particle is in motion along the direction of field or opposite to the direction of field. But the force will be act upon the charged particle if the charged particle is perpendicular or right angle to the magnetic field. Very important for problem. Fm, magnetic force Fm is equal to QVB sin theta, or in vector form Fm equal to Q into V cross B. Thank you.